We've all been there, an iPhone that doesn't want to charge. We're going to show you how to know for sure if your iPhone lightning cord or the wall cube is the problem. And we're going to do it using inexpensive household items. In this very brief video, we will remove the guesswork, and best of all, this test works with any iPhone that charges with a lightning cord. It's very easy. We're going to use a clothespin, a common alkaline battery tester, and a 9-volt battery, and that's all we'll need. And be sure to stay tuned to the end of the video for a bonus tip using yet another household item to help with iPhone charging problems. Okay, let's go. This will be very quick, I promise. Alright, here's all you need: a battery tester with test leads, a 9-volt battery that we'll use to verify the tester is working, and a single clothespin from the laundry room. Now, we are going to actually test 3 power sources at once: your 120-volt utility power, your USB wall cube, and your lightning cord. The goal here is to see if your 5-volt battery charging voltage is reaching your iPhone. We will start the test by selecting the 9-volt setting on the battery tester and checking our 9-volt battery. We don't care if the battery is new. This just verifies that the battery tester is working. This is important, so don't skip this step. Okay, the tester works, and we're already done with the 9-volt battery. Now we're going to select the 6-volt setting on the tester. The charger should be sending about 5 volts into the iPhone battery, so the 6-volt setting will get us close enough for this test. Make sure your wall cube is plugged into an outlet and the USB side of the lightning cord is properly plugged into the cube. Now we'll use our clothespin as a clamp to hold this connector in place while we check for output voltage. Pin 5 on either side of the connector is your 5-volt power to the battery, so it doesn't matter which side of the connector that you test. Be sure to use the red wire on the tester for this one. I used the bare metal surrounding the connector pins as my ground, so just touch the black wire to this metal. It's pretty much common sense from here. Apply the test leads to the pins on the lightning connector and watch the battery tester for a voltage reading. The needle on the tester verifies that the wall outlet, USB cube, and lightning cable all work. If you can't get any movement on the battery tester, you need to start swapping components to identify the problem. And I always start by swapping the lightning cord first before trying a different wall cube. One more thing, don't be misled by some broken plastic coating near the lightning cord connector. It doesn't necessarily mean the cord is bad. This test, however, will tell you for sure if the cord is good or bad regardless of the condition of the wire. Now here's the little bonus tip I promised. Many times, an iPhone charging problem is not the result of a bad charging cable or wall cube, nor is it because of a bad battery. Oftentimes pocket lint or purse lint makes its way into the charging port of the iPhone. This is an easy fix just by grabbing yourself a wooden toothpick from the kitchen cupboard. Insert the toothpick into the charging port and start digging. You'll be surprised as to what you might find. Anyway, there's a link in the description for a battery tester in case you don't happen to own one. And that's all we have for today. I hope you learned a thing or two about iPhones and clothespins. Please like and subscribe to our channel to stay in tune with new videos from the Electro Coach as they are posted. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.